The one thing that homeowners really know better than anything is the thermostat. Thermostat basically just controls the unit. This is a no-brainer.
When you check a thermostat, you're going to check the connections, the wire connections into the thermostat, make sure they're still good and tight. And you're going to check the display to make sure everything's lit and working properly on that display. You don't have no numbers or half a number showing, or there's like glitches where it's constantly flickering or anything like that.
What could cause a glitch?
It's like a computer. It's a circuit board, pretty much. You make sure you got adequate voltage going to the thermostat.
So the voltage could mess up your thermostat.
It can.
So instead of buying a $400 thermostat, it could have been a $49 transformer.
All right. Okay. A lot of thermostats have batteries as backup to keep the memory and everything.
Right.
Power goes out, and you want to check them battery connections to make sure they're not corroded.
A lot of things that could happen that you need to check, guys.
The thermostat that comes from the factory with a default program in it.
So if the power goes out because we've had an ice storm and the power's out for 2 hours and your thermostat goes back into default, does it reset itself?
Well, when it comes back up, it may default back to factory settings, so you might have to go back and change it back to where you
So if you've had it programmed for your desired comfort level and the power goes out, you've got to do it all over again, reprogram
You may have to. If you don't have no battery backup or something, you may have to go back in and set it all
But
back.
if you're like me, I don't even know how to program my thermostat. I'd go crazy trying to figure that thing out.
Sometimes the batteries, they don't see that the battery's gone dead, so when it goes out, it loses it.
There you go.